Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your workflow with ClickUp AI and ChatGPT. Alright, so first what we are need to do is basically connect those two together. So first what we are going to do is going here to the ClickUp settings at the top right corner where you see your uh, profile logo. Then go to the settings and right here on the left side, you will see ClickUp API. All right. Click on generate just like that. Yes, we will continue with this. And just like that, it will generate API token. Okay, so now I will copy this token and we will jump into the ChatGPT. Alright, so now we are in ChatGPT. What you need to do next is head over here to the left side and where you see these apps. So click on apps. And now we can go directly here at the top right corner of these apps and type ClickUp to find it like so, this one, and click here the connect. Okay, now we will need to sign in and connect with API key. All right, now we are right connected. Okay, so now we will connect workspace. Okay, so the next thing is we can start the chat. All right, so as you can see here, you will see ClickUp option as a basically the model. And yeah, what will happen is basically you will use ChatGPT to analyze client request emails or complex PDF. And then what will happen is ChatGPT will push a fully formatted parent task with structured subtrack labels and description straight into the ClickUp. So as you can see right here, and it will basically create somewhere in this workspace. And yeah, this is basically fully automated workflow. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.